I'm Phil Wall, one of the founders of Let's Do This, and I'm going to be giving you a quick walkthrough of our iPhone app. So, we're going to get started by logging into Facebook. What Let's Do This is it's a group planning app that makes it easier for you to get things going with your friends, because it lets you actually have a conversation around what you want to do and see who's interested before you have to try and mess with organizing the details and getting people to commit. So what we focused on making this part fun, just throwing out ideas and seeing who's live right now interested in joining you. So that's what we show. When users first load the app, it's this plans view, which is just a big interactive list of all the cool stuff your friends want to do. Now you can say which ones you're interested in by clicking do, which I'm going to do for Outside Lands because I know that's going to be awesome. And you can even see what you're trending by the number of people who have already joined and which have gotten enough interest to be confirmed into actual plans, like this potluck here. Now any activity can be opened, and inside you can see who's involved, who said they're interested in doing it. You can even see comments people have left where you can essentially have the conversation. It works just like a live chat. And the third thing we're doing is we're letting people add ideas to the conversation, which you can vote on. Now, the cool thing about this is that we save all of these ideas on the back end so that we can rank them by popularity, and we can let users browse these ideas when they're bored. Now, the next feature set we're working on will tell you which of your friends also like doing that activity, so you can just select in one touch and ping out to people, hey, I want to do this right now. Are you people interested in doing it with me? So it's going to be really cool. So let's move on though. Let's say I wasn't actually interested in doing any of the stuff that I see in here. I can switch to our friends view and I can get something going right now. So the first thing I'm going to do in here is I'm going to set my status and let people know that I'm interested in doing something. So hey, if someone else was actually loading up something fun, they would know to ping me. So I'm going to say I'm going to be around till 9 p.m. tonight. Hopefully I'll finish recording this demo video by then. But it works pretty similar to Skype. Red means I'm busy, yellow means, hey, I'm not sure, I can maybe be convinced. But the cool thing is now I get to browse a free agent pool of my friends. So I can select a couple, and I can say, hey guys, let's get something going right now. Or I can say what I want to do. I can even throw out some different little widgets, which, we're playing and testing different ones of these. Some we've gotten some great feedback on, but I think overall we're going to simplify down this UI. And you can include other friends. Now we made this as easy as we possibly could. We integrated with the contacts in your address book. The app works just like group text for anyone who doesn't have an iPhone. They can even reply with specific commands that the app understands. And it's Facebook integrated. So you could post it out to any of your friends' walls if you wanted to, and you could even tag them using the tagging feature. So that's the simple version of how you get something going. But what we're actually aiming for here is we're trying to get 2 bits of information up front. Just who's around to do something right now, and we have a really cool way that we're going to let people set their status in advance. They're just going to paint it in hour blocks, and they can flick over to future days, so they can say, hey, next week this is my schedule. So it'll auto-populate there, just make it easier. But the second bit of information is what are fun things people actually like doing. Let's make it super casual to throw it out there, and just let the group decide which they're interested in joining. So that's the concept. This is our basic framework. We have a new version we're going to roll out in about a week, and it should be ready for Disrupt. It's going to have some cooler features in there that sort of play off this data, but also simplifies down the UI a bit. I'd be happy to tell you guys more about it. But yeah, our test users are giving us great feedback about this, and we think it's going to be really fun. So let's do this.